the engineer called me from Dallas and he said, how's the belt tracking? And I said, good, I think. And it wasn't at all. And he said, well, that's good because I'm about 5 minutes away and I'm coming into your shop to check it out. 2 minutes later, Ty walks in the door. I said, what's up? He said, I need a job.
I came in, told him about the ad that I saw in the paper, and he asked me about if I knew how to track a belt. And I said, yeah, I think I can track a belt.
2 minutes later, he tracked a belt. In the whole 5 minutes, it was perfect. And the guy walked through the door. He ignored me and went straight up to the belt, and he put 2 marker pens down, and he said, oh, it's perfect. So I said to Ty, you got the job.
He gave me the job.
He was my first guy.